Hey guys, let's explain the Stripe ACH payment setup. To set up ACH payments with Stripe, first ensure ACH direct debit is enabled in your Stripe account's billing settings. Next, verify your business bank account by providing your routing and bank account numbers to Stripe. And then you can add ACH as a default payment method for invoices or collect customer bank details directly on a payment form to initiate a debit for one-time or recurring payment. Right? Log in and navigate to the billing, and under invoicing settings, default payment methods, click edit payment methods, and then find the bank debits and click turn on to enable ACH direct debit as a default payment option. Okay, and basically that's it, right? You can initiate the ACH debit once a customer provides their bank account details and authorizes the payment. Stripe will initiate the ACH debit process, and this process involves communicating with banking institutions to transfer funds from the customer's account to yours. And ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.